We grew a dragon fruit in our houseplant greenhouse. Let's harvest it and see what it tastes like. And I think it's just gonna twist off right here. There are little thorns on the actual stem. Oh yeah. Like it left a little bit of pink on the stem. So this smells exactly like fresh cut grass, which is odd to me. We're gonna cut it Fruit Ninja style. I did it. I didn't cut it in half, but come on, that's a pretty good cut for what I just did. Oh, there's juice. Not bad so far. I've had dragon fruit before, but it wasn't that great. It was kind of bland, so I'm hoping this one will be better. So let's squeeze some out and see what happens. Oh, big bite. Mm-hmm. A little bit of sweetness, tiny bit of that fresh cut grass flavor, but that might be because I was really close to the blossom end down there. I don't know. I'll get into the middle of it. My knife's not super sharp right now. I haven't sharpened it in a while. Super aesthetically pleasing. You gotta get a close up of this. Oh yeah, look at this. They're the prettiest fruit. They look like they would be so delicious when you just look at them. Goodness gracious. Okay, now we're into the middle of it. Really not that flavorful, to be honest. I think it was pretty ripe because it was kind of squishy on the vine. The seeds just kind of crunch. The texture is nice. I don't know what it tastes like though. How would you describe that? Okay. Okay, so the flavor is very mild. It's very refreshing and juicy. The texture is kind of like a wet banana. I don't know. That would be the texture. I guess the closest thing flavor wise would be a kiwi, but kiwi is more intense. So like this is like the LaCroix kiwi. That would be a good description of it. So imagine LaCroix took that little bit of flavor and then infused it into an entire can. That's what this tastes like. But texture's good. I thought it tasted kind of like fresh cut grass.
It kind of tastes like banana to me.
And I didn't get any. I was trying to think that it tasted like banana, but I didn't get any banana vibes.
There's almost like the texture is
It's
real
good.
kiwi like,
It's better than I thought it would be, honestly.
but kind of tastes like
I started to say kiwi.
dirt a little bit, earthy.
Maybe that's the crunch.
No,